Hello, my name's Katie. I'm going to be talking about Graves' disease. The definition of Graves' disease is a disease state of hypothyroidism, goiter, along with ophthalmopathy. Hyperthyroidism is an overactive thyroid, and Graves' disease is an enlarged thyroid gland. And then the ophthalmopathy in Graves' disease is the protrusion of the eyes. And Graves' disease is classified as the abnormal stimulation of the thyroid gland by thyroid-stimulating antibodies. The etiology of the disease is autoimmune. It's often seen with other autoimmune diseases, and it's associated with the major histocompatibility complex, class 1A5. Some signs and symptoms of Graves' disease is similar to that of other forms of hypothyroidism as a result of increased thyroid production. Those include increased appetite, weight loss, diarrhea, restlessness, irritability, tachycardia, protrusion of the eyes. There's also muscle weakness. Goiter is part of Graves' disease, and then again, it can be paired with other autoimmune diseases. And most of these are considered hypothyroidism syndrome. The diagnostics of Graves' disease include blood tests, such as testing the thyroid-stimulating hormone, T3, T4, and free T4. It's expected that T3, 4, and free T4 will be high, and then the thyroid-stimulating hormone will be low due to the overproduction of those other hormones. And then there's also a radioactive iodine uptake test that's possible. Could be followed up with ultrasound, MRI, CT to rule out other possible diagnoses. Some of those differential diagnoses include multinodal goiter, thyroiditis, or an adenoma of the thyroid is another differential diagnosis. A couple of complications of Graves' disease includes thyroid storm, which is thyroid toxicosis, and then vision loss is also possible from exophthalmia. Thank you.